They just reopened LA County. Oh, plane crashed! Right behind us. They just reopened LA County. Oh, plane crashed!
At 12:31 p.m. today, on the eastbound 91 here east of Lincoln Avenue, we experienced a plane crash on the freeway lanes. And the plane is a single-engine Piper Cherokee. The pilot claims to have experienced a possible engine failure on their final descent to Corona Municipal Airport. They were forced into the traffic lanes during a forced landing, an emergency landing. Absolutely very fortunate today. The traffic was light and the pilot appears to have made some good landing navigation that avoided a very bad tragedy, what could have been a very bad tragedy.
They just reopened LA County. Oh, plane crashed!